What are the signs and symptoms of DLBCL?
Patients with diffuse large B-cell lymphoma may be completely asymptomatic or may notice a growing lump in their body, such as a lymph node in the neck, for example, or an armpit. And they may have B symptoms as well, which is spiking fevers, night sweats, severe fatigue, and weight loss.
The signs and symptoms of DLBCL often are a painful mass that's rapidly growing, weight loss, night sweats, not feeling well, having a lot of fatigue. Often these are symptoms that are kind of vague at initial presentation and prompt a doctor to start a workup. Sometimes people could be thought they have an infection or they have the flu or they just don't feel well, but imaging usually is required to see that there are enlarged lymph nodes. And once that's found, then a biopsy is required to determine what those enlarged lymph nodes are. Soon after the biopsy is done, the results come back and usually treatment started within a week or two.
So again, it's a plethora of symptoms, but usually it's patients present with enlarged lymph nodes, either in the neck, armpit, or in the groin, or they may have, if they have lymph nodes in the belly, they may get, abdominal pain. Sometimes they may get what we call as B symptoms or bad symptoms. These include like fevers, weight loss, night sweats. So those may be also some of the presenting complaints. And diffuse large B-cell lymphoma is again not one disease. Just like now what we understand now, this is a spectrum of multiple different diseases grouped under one big category. And depending on what part of the body is affected, you can have other different symptoms. For example, if the brain is affected, people could have those kind of symptoms. If the lung is affected or the kidney is affected, you can have those kind of symptoms.
Again, enlargement in the lymph nodes is one sign that is quite common. Usually the noticeable areas are in the neck, underarms, and the groin. There could be these B symptoms that we just mentioned, fever without any underlying cause, drenching night sweats that they need to change their nightgowns or even sheets, or the chills, the extremes of fatigue and pain.